The MRC, or the Media Resource Centre, is a place where students can come and loan out equipment. It works a bit like a library, so you don't have to pay any money. You come by with your student card and we swipe the equipment out to you. The MRC simulates what it would actually be like to use a real-life rental company. We make sure all the kit is ready to go, we check it with you. We also go through all the regular paperwork to make sure it's all official, everyone's happy, and we sign it off. We offer a range of industry standard equipment which will enable students to get to know and familiarise themselves with equipment that they'll be using in the industry that they're aiming towards. We don't just loan out the equipment, we offer our technical knowledge. Most of us have worked in the industry ourselves, so we will explain how to use it, how to best use it for what they're trying to achieve. We stock equipment that is course specific. For example, film have Steadicams and sliders, but also have equipment which is available to all students, such as DSLRs, Wacom, graphics tablets, and anything ranging from lighting, sound kits and lenses. We try and get all of the newest and sort of most exciting kit that we can. We offer the Vive Pro, so that's the VR headset, which students can take out and use and experiment with.
Using the MRC allows me a much wider range of tools to experiment with. It has really opened up my creative boundaries and the professional roles that I could apply for.
Students using the MRC will leave not just with a piece of equipment, but the knowledge on how to use that equipment effectively in a professional manner.